In today's video, I'm going to teach you, insert video title here. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Open Microsoft Teams and look for the apps icon along the left side. Click it, type Approvals into the search box, and select the Approvals app from the results. It should open inside Teams so you don't have to leave the app to start your first request. To begin a request, choose New Approval Request. You can start with a basic request and fill in the essentials like title and approver, or select a preset template if your organization already provides one. Templates save time and keep things consistent, so use them whenever they're available. Customize your approval by adding clear details that explain what you need approved and why. Attach any supporting files directly to the request so approvers have everything they need in one place. If your tenant has third-party e-signature providers enabled, you can mark a signature as required and route the document through Adobe Sign or DocuSign from within the same request. That keeps approvals and signatures together in a single workflow. After you send a request, tracking progress is straightforward. Open the Approvals app and go to the Send tab to see the current status of each request. You'll be able to tell at a glance whether a request is approved, rejected, or still pending. If something is pending for a long time, follow up with the approver in Teams chat to keep things moving. If you're an admin or working with your IT team, control over the app's availability lives in the Teams Admin Center. Navigate to Teams Apps and then Manage Apps to allow or block the Approvals app for your organization or specific users. This is useful for rolling the feature out gradually or restricting it when needed. Within those admin settings, you can also enable or disable third-party e-signature providers for approvals. Toggle the integrations on or off depending on licensing or company policy, and confirm the configurations so users see the correct options when they create requests. To make approval processes uniform across the company, create organization-wide templates. These templates standardize language, required approvers, and attachments so everyone follows the same process, reducing confusion and saving time. Finally, for compliance and oversight, monitor approval activity through the Microsoft Purview portal. Use it to audit actions such as who created requests, when approvals were completed, and any reassignments. That auditing capability helps maintain transparency and supports record-keeping policies. Follow these steps and you'll have a reliable, auditable approvals process running in